How to fry egg without oil. This place I was okay. let me cut the long story short. You need a pan. You put oil in your pan. Light up the lights. Put small vinegar. It can be any kind of vinegar, whether organic or any kind of vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is also works well. So add a little bit of salt to test, then allow the water to warm up a little bit or boil a little bit, then you break in your eggs. The thing is, you have to cover it. Yeah, you cover the lid and let it steam on a low heat for like 5 minutes. Then it's done. Sometimes you could just allow the water to dry out. So, or here it was almost nearly burnt because I think the flame of the fire was very high, something like that. So it's pretty much very simple, and you can actually save yourself eating too much of oil. And it's easy. It doesn't take like 30 15 minutes to 30 minutes for you to boil egg. This one is pretty much fast and simple if you're really really hungry, and you can just eat it like that. Thank you for watching. Bye. What is that?